Welcome all of you in online classes Urmila Devi PG College, Rasar, Prayagraj. Today discuss angle between two planes of BSc first year syllabus in mathematics subject. First define two angle between two planes. Here angle between two planes. The angle between two planes is defined as the angle between their normals drawn from any point to the plane. If planes are a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and the second plane is a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal 0. Here consider two planes. First plane denoted by equation first and second plane is denoted by equation second. Suppose that theta is angle between these two planes, then by definition of angle between two planes, theta will be also angle between their normals, means normal of first plane and normal of second plane. So normal of first plane whose direction cosines are a1 divided by under root a1 divided by under root a1 square b1 square plus c1 square and b1 divided by under root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square and c1 divided by under root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square. These are direction cosines of normal to the first plane. Similarly, direction cosine of normal of second plane are a2 divided by under root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. And b2 is divided by same denominator, means a2 square b2 square plus c2 square. At last c3 divided by under root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. These are direction ratios of normal to the first plane and direction ratios of normal to the plane second. Then by definition of angle of two lines, because normals are line size, so cos theta is equal to L1 M2. Here write cos theta is, suppose that is L1 is M1 and is N1. L2 M2 and N2. Then by definition of angle of two lines, if theta is angle between two lines, here lines are normals, where angle is theta, then cos theta is equal to L1 L2 M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Putting the values of L1, L2, M1, M2, N1, N2, then cos theta is equal to A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 divided by under root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square under root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Is required angle cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by under root a1 square b1 square plus c1 square and under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Putting the values of L1 L2 M1 M2 N1 N2 from these equations, then angle between two normals of first plane and normal of second plane is cos theta is equal to This is denoted by simplification. But here, by definition of the angle between two planes, if theta is angle between their normals, then theta is also angle between planes. So angle between planes is equal to angle between their normals of the plane. Therefore, it is clear that if theta is angle between planes first and second, then formula is cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square, where a1 divided by under root a1 square b1 square c1, and similarly others are direction cosines of normal to the plane first, and L2, M2, N2 are the direction cosines of the normal to the plane second. So if you want to angle between two planes, then must calculate the direction cosines values of first and second planes. After then putting in this equation and find the angle between two planes, means the value of theta. Next article is in article second, find the perpendicular distance of a point from the given plane. In this article, perpendicular distance of a point capital V whose coordinates are x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square, here taken in mod form because it is distance from a point to the plane. Suppose that point is here denoted by x1, y1, z1, and plane is this plane whose equation is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Then perpendicular length means a straight line vertically from the point, suppose that is point Q. P is a point which is above from the given plane. Draw a perpendicular line on the plane. Suppose that meeting point is capital Q. Then length PQ is called perpendicular length, whose length is calculated by this formula, means mod of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by under root a square plus b square plus c square, where equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Therefore, from this formula you can calculate the perpendicular length, means PQ, here denoted by PQ, length PQ. Length PQ is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by under root a square plus b square plus c square. So in the question given that points coordinates in numerically form and equation of the plane in systematic form, you can use directly to this formula. Length of PQ is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by under root a square plus b square plus c square. With help of this formula you can calculate the perpendicular length which draw from given point to the given plane. Now consider some questions which are dependent on this article. In the question first, which are related from above two articles, article first and second. So question is, find the angle between the plane 2x minus y plus z is equal to 11 and x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. Here given two planes equations. Your aim is that find the angle between them. Therefore, in solution, write given equations of the planes or first plane equation is 2x minus y plus z is equal to 11. It is implied that is right in the systematic form, means general form of the plane equation. So it is equal to 2x minus y plus z minus 11 is equal to 0. This equation you can represented by first equation, means equation of first plane. Similarly, given that equation of second plane is x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. It is also convert in the general form of the plane equation, means here 3 taken in left hand side. Therefore, it is equal to x plus y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. This equation is represented by equation second. So in the equation second, equation of the plane second, and in equation first is equation of the plane first. Our aim is find the angle between these two planes. Therefore, suppose that if angle is theta between plane first and second, planes first and second, then from first article you can use directly formula cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is divided by under root of a1 square b1 square plus c1 square and a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. In this formula, in which angle cos theta is equal to a1 times a2 plus b1 times b2 plus c1 times c2 in bracket, which is divided by under root of a1 square b1 square c1 square and under root of a2 square b2 square c2 square. In the article, it is clear that what are a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. So a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, and c1 is the coefficient of z in the first plane equation. Similarly, a2 is coefficient of x, b2 is coefficient of y, and c2 is coefficient of z in the second plane equation. Therefore, it is clear that putting the values of a1 is equal to, here I want to again one time revise to this, what is a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. a1 in the first equation, which is equation of plane, in the first equation coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is b1, coefficient of z is c1, and in plane equation second, coefficient of x is a2, coefficient of y is b2, coefficient of z is c2. Therefore, a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 1, and c1 is equal to 1, because coefficient of z is equal to 1, coefficient of y is equal to minus 1, and coefficient of x is equal to 2, and a2 is equal to a2, b2, c2 considered from second equation, coefficient of x, y, z respectively. So coefficient of x is equal to 1, therefore a2 is equal to 1 and b2 is equal to 1 and c2 is equal to 2. Here coefficient of x is equal to 1, a2, coefficient of y in equation second is b2 is equal to 1 and coefficient of z in the equation second is 2, so c2 is equal to 2. These values putting in the above formula means cos theta is equal to a1, a2, that is putting and find the value of theta. Therefore cos theta is equal to a1 is equal to 2, so 2 into a2 is equal to 1 multiplied by 1 plus b1 is equal to minus 1 into b2 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 plus c1 is equal to 1 into c2 is equal to 2 is equal to 2 taken in one bracket divided by under root of under root a1 square means 2 square plus b1 square minus 1 whole square plus c1 square means 1 square and a2 square 1 square, b2 square 1 square and c2 square 2 square. Here values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 putting in this formula and is equal to cos theta 2 into 1 this. Taking simplification of this equation, so 2 1 2 and minus 1 and plus 2 in one bracket divided by under root 2 1 2 and minus 1 and 2, this is equal to under root 4 plus 1 plus 1 in second bracket 1 plus 1 plus 4, so is equal to 3, 4 minus 1 3 is divided by under root 6 is equal to 3 by under root 6 means 6, here multiply by under root 2 under root 6 is equal to 6 and 3 divided by 6 which is equal to 1 by 2. It is implies that cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, but cos 60 degree is equal to means it is implies to theta is equal to pi by 3 because cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore it is clear that angle between two planes, given planes first and second is 60 degree means pi by 3, which calculating by used to the formula cos theta is equal to a1 a2 b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by under root a1 square b1 square c1 square under root a2 b2 c2 square. Here a1 b1 c1 these are coefficient of x y z in first equation represented by first script and in second equation represented by second script means a2 b2 c2 and a1 b1 c1. Find these values and putting this equation, therefore calculate the angle theta. Same as process you can take an other question which are related from these articles and you can solve. In the question second, find distance of the point 2 whose coordinates are 2 1 minus 1 from the plane x minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 9. This question is related from article second. In the article second, find the distance of a point to the given plane means perpendicular distance of the point from the given plane. Here distance means perpendicular distance of the point this to this plane. In solution, given point coordinates are 2, 1, minus 1, and plane equation is x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0. So is represented by first plane. Here I want to draw a figure. Suppose that P is P point whose coordinates are 2, 1, minus 1, and suppose that this is plane equation is x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0. So in the question, find the perpendicular distance from point P to this plane. Therefore draw a perpendicular line from point P to this plane. Suppose that meeting point is Q. Therefore perpendicular distance is length PQ, which denoted by, and the value of perpendicular distance PQ you can find used to do directly formula which shown in the article second. Therefore perpendicular distance, perpendicular also denoted by this symbol, perpendicular distance is PQ is equal to mod of A x1 B y1 C z1 plus D is divided by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. This is formula which shown in the article second. Here x1, y1, z1 are the points coordinates, means this is denoted by x1, is y1, is z1. So given point coordinates are x1, y1, z1, and plane is x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0. This plane comparing with general formula of the plane, then putting A is equal to coefficient of x is A, so coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of coefficient of y means minus 2 is equal to B, so B is equal to minus 2. At last C is equal to coefficient of z which is 4, so here write 4. Therefore you can easily find the values of small a, b, c from given plane equations. These are coefficient of x, y and z, which are a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c equal to 4. Now putting the value of x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1 are the coordinates of the given point P. So coordinates values means x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 1 and z1 is equal to minus 1. These are values of coordinates of given point P. If you putting these values in this formula, so you can find easily the perpendicular distance, perpendicular length PQ, which draw given point P to the given plane. Therefore required length PQ is equal to mod of A, putting the value of A is equal to 1 and x1 is equal to 2, so into 2 plus B is equal to minus 2 into y1 is equal to 1 plus c is equal to 4 into z1 is equal to minus 1 taken in one bracket divided by under root of under root of a square, b square, c square according by formula. So putting the value of a, b and c from these. So a is equal to 1 square, b is equal to -2, so -2 whole square, plus c is equal to 4 whole square is equal to mod of 2 -2 -4 is divided by 1, means 1 4 plus 16. 1 plus 4 plus 16. Here 2 minus 2 cancels to each other and remain is mod of -4 divided by 1 plus 4 plus 16 is equal to 21. So under root 21. Here length is -4 divided by under root 21, but you know that length never negative sign, therefore taken modulus and total numerically is equal to 4 by under root 21. So in this question, required length means required perpendicular length from given point P to the given plane is PQ. PQ is equal to 4 by under root 21. Is complete solution of this question. One time I want revision to this question. Here given a plane equation and given a point P. Question aim is find the perpendicular distance from point P to the given plane. So here draw a figure. In the figure, P coordinates of given coordinates 2, 1, -1. It is also denoted by x1, y1, z1, and draw a plane, given plane. Suppose that plane x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 is equal to 0. Now our aim is find the length PQ which draw point P to the given plane. Therefore draw a perpendicular length PQ to the given plane and use to directly formula perpendicular length formula. PQ is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by this. In this formula, putting the values of a, b, c and s1, y1, z1. So it is clear that what is a, b, c and what are x1, y1, z1. Here x coefficient is a, y coefficient is b and z coefficient is c in the plane equation, and x1, y1, z1 are coordinates of the given point. Putting these values from the figure and questions and solving this equation, find the required perpendicular length PQ. Therefore PQ is 4 by under root 21. Here in solution PQ is negative sign, but length always taken in positive sign, therefore taken modulus and numerically is equal to 4 by under root 21. Hence required perpendicular length PQ is equal to 4 by under root 21. And consider next question. In the next question, in question 3rd, find the equation of the plane parallel to the plane x plus 2y minus 2z plus 8 is equal to 0, which are at a distance of 2 units units from the point 2 1 1. In this question, means question third, find the equation of the plane parallel to the plane x plus 2y minus 2z plus 8 is equal to 0, which are at a distance of 2 units from the point 2 1 1. So in solution, given plane equation is x plus 2y minus 2z plus 8 is equal to 0, and point, suppose that point is P, whose coordinates is 2 1 1. In this question, given a plane equation and a point. In the question, 1 to the perpendicular length, 1 to the equation of plane which are parallel to this given plane, and perpendicular length from point 2 1 1 to this parallel plane is equal to 2 units. So here this is plane. This plane equation is 2y minus x plus 2y minus 2z plus 8 is equal to 0. But in the question, find the equation of plane which is parallel to this plane, which is parallel to the given plane. So draw a parallel plane to this. Suppose that this is our parallel plane. Then equation of parallel plane to this given plane is x plus 2y minus 2z plus k is equal to 0. In the question, given that perpendicular length from a given point to the parallel plane is equal to 2 units. Therefore, here consider point P, whose coordinates are 2 1 1, and draw a perpendicular length to the parallel plane. Suppose that point Q is meeting point of the straight line P to the given parallel plane. According by question, length PQ is equal to 2 units. According by question, length PQ is equal to 2 units. So in the question, given a plane equation, you want that find the plane equation which is parallel to the given plane equation. So draw a parallel plane to the given plane equation, whose equation is x plus 2y minus 2z plus k is equal to 0. According by question, perpendicular length from point P, means coordinates 2 1 1 1, to the given parallel plane which is parallel to the given plane is equal to unit 2, means length PQ is equal to 2. So applied to the article, second, perpendicular distance from a point to the given plane. Here given plane is x plus 2y minus 2z plus k. So parallel plane equation is x plus 2y minus 2z plus k is equal to 0. Is suppose that second plane is first plane. So perpendicular distance from point 2 to this parallel plane, perpendicular distance from point P, whose coordinates are 2 1 1 to plane second according by perpendicular distance from point P to plane second means parallel plane. So here 2 is perpendicular distance from point to second parallel plane. Used to directly formula of perpendicular distance is equal to A x1 plus B y1 plus C z1 plus D is divided by under root of A square plus B square plus C square mod. In this formula, putting the value of A, B, C and x1, y1, z1 same as in the question second. Therefore, putting A is equal to A, B, C are the coefficient of second plane, coefficient in the second plane, coefficient of x, y and z. So x coefficient is 1, B is equal to 2, coefficient of y, and C is equal to minus 2, coefficient of z. And x1, y1, z1 are the coordinates of given point x1, y1, z1. So here x1, y1, z1. The values of x1, y1, z1 are the coordinates of given point. Therefore, x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 1 and z1 is equal to 1. Coordinates of given point P 2, 1, 1, 1. Putting these values and find the also given the perpendicular distance PQ is equal to 2. So and PQ perpendicular distance PQ is equal to 2 unit. Putting these values in this equation and K is equal to D is equal to K. Here comparing, when you comparing of general equation of the plane from the second equation, so coefficient of x is equal to A is equal to 1 and coefficient of y is equal to B is equal to 2 and coefficient of z is equal to C, which is equal to minus 2, and D is constant, here constant is K. Therefore, putting D is equal to K and coordinates x1, y1, z1 which already given, which are 2, 1, 1, 1, and also given that perpendicular distance PQ is equal to 2. So putting these values in this equation and find the unknown means D. So is equal to 2 mod of A1 is equal to 1 into x1 is equal to 2 plus B is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 1 plus C is equal to minus 2 into z1 is equal to 1 plus D is equal to K mod of under root A square, B square, C square means 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 2 square whole square is equal to, here this is already perpendicular length, therefore you can remove to the modulus sign. So is equal to 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus K divided by under root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. It is implies to 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 cancel to each other. Here 2 is equal to 2 plus K. 2 plus K is divided by 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 9. Under root of 9 is equal to 3. So here are 3. Simplification to this equation is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to K. It is implies to K is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to K. Therefore, K is equal to 4. Putting this value of K in equation second, then our required equation is equation second, means parallel plane equation, which is parallel of given plane. So putting therefore putting the value of k is equal to 4 in equation second, which is parallel equation of the plane to the given plane equation. So k is equal to 4 in the equation second, x plus 2y minus 2z plus k is equal to 0. Then equation of required plane, then equation of required plane is x plus 2y minus 2z plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation of required plane, means equation of parallel plane to the given plane. So solution of the question third is complete. You can revise again to this and solve himself. Now consider next question. Equation of the plane which passing through intersecting line, This is next article third. In this, find the equation of plane which passing through intersecting line. Suppose that the equation of intersecting line are a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. d1 is equal to 0 is first equation, and second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0, second equation. The equation of intersecting line always represented by two planes equation, because a line obstructing by the intersecting of two planes. Therefore, I want to equation of plane which passing to this intersecting line. Then equation of plane which passing through intersecting line is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 plus k times a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. Taking simplification, and a1 plus k times a2 x plus b1 plus k times b2 y plus c1 plus k times c2 z plus d1 plus k times d2 is equal to 0, is represented by third equation. So equation third is required equation of the plane, means plane which passing through the intersecting line, means line which is developed by two intersecting planes first and plane second. In this equation k is unknown quantity. Therefore, you can use to some additional required which is given in the equation and find the value of k after find the value of k, again putting to the value of k in this equation, means equation third, and after simplification you can find complete plane equation which passing through the given intersecting line. So I want to consider some questions which are dependent on this article. Therefore first question is, in question 4, which are dependent on the previous article, find the equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection point of intersection of the planes of the planes 2x minus 7y plus 4z is equal to 3, and 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0, and the point minus 2, 1, 3. In this question, find the equation of plane which passing through given intersecting line, means intersecting of two given planes. First plane equation is 2x minus 7y plus 4z is equal to 3, and second plane equation 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0. Also given that this plane, means required plane, is passing through point coordinates are minus 2, 1, 3. Therefore in the solution, given equation of intersecting line are 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 is equal to 0 is equation first, and second plane is equation 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0 is equation second. So intersecting line is developing by intersecting of two planes whose equations are equation first and equation second. So equation of plane which passing through given intersecting line means equation first and second, because intersecting line is represented by two equations, plane equation first and plane equation second, is 2x minus 7y plus 4z minus 3 plus k times, k is any unknown, and k times 3x minus 5y plus 4z plus 11 is equal to 0. Simplification to this equation, write 2 plus 3k 2 plus 3k times x minus 7 plus minus 5k times y plus 4 plus 4z means 4k times z plus minus 3 plus 11k is equal to 0 is equation third. In equation third, k is a known quantity, therefore 1 to n external required condition for which this equation passing and find the value of k. After then putting the value of k in this equation and find required plane equation. So those required condition is this, means according by question required plane also passing through this point minus 2 1 to 3, therefore but plane third is also passing through point minus 2 1 3. So putting x is equal to 2 minus 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3 in equation third. These values putting in equation third and then simplification and find the value of k. Putting the value of x, y and z in the equation third, therefore 2 plus 3k times minus 2 plus minus 7 minus 5k times 1 plus 4 plus 4k times 3, at last minus 3 plus 11k is equal to 0. This is equation third. So is equation third. In the equation third, putting the value of x, y and z from the coordinates given point, therefore taking simplification, multiply by minus 2 is equal to minus 4 minus 6k plus here minus taken outside from the bracket, so minus 7 minus 5k plus 4 12 plus 12k plus minus 3, so minus 3 plus 11k is equal to 0. In first bracket taken all k values means minus 6k minus 5k plus 12k plus 11k plus in second bracket taken all numerical values means minus 4 minus 7 plus 12 minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 6 minus 6k minus 5k is equal to minus 11k. So minus 11k plus 11k cancel to each other and remain is 12k in the first bracket, and in the second bracket minus 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 11 and minus 11 minus 3 minus 15. So minus 3 minus 7 minus 3 is equal to minus 10 plus minus 14 plus 12 is equal to 0. And simplification to this is equal to 12k is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. It is implies to k is equal to 2 by 12 is equal to 1 by 6. It is implies to k is equal to 1 by 6. Putting putting in equation third. Then equation of required plane, then equation of required plane is, write equation third. This is equation third. So 2 plus 3k x plus minus 7 minus 5k y plus 4 plus 4k z plus minus 3 plus 11k is equal to 0. This is equation third. In this equation, putting the value of k is equal to 1 by 6. So required plane is 2 plus 3 into 1 by 6 times x plus minus 7 minus 5 by 6 times y plus 4 plus 4k into 1 by 6 times z plus minus 3 plus 11 by 6 times is equal to 0. Simplification to this equation is equal to is equal to 12 plus 3 by 6 x plus, here you can take in minus from the bracket, minus in bracket 42 plus 5 divided by 6 y plus 24 plus 4 divided by 6 times z plus 18 plus 11 by 6 is equal to 0. Here 6 taken in LCM and transferred to right hand side is equal to 0. So is equal to implies that 15x minus 47 y plus 28 z plus, here minus plus cancel to each other and is equal to 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. This is required equation of the plane. So in this question, first write two equations of intersecting line, which are equations of two given plane, intersecting plane, and after then write the equation of plane which passing through intersecting line, means intersecting of two planes first and second, is combined equation of plane first and second, means first equation plus k times taken one unknown from himself is k times second equation. After simplification to coefficient of x, y and z plus constant, which is also a plane equation which is represented by equation third. But according by question, plane third is also passing to the given point. Suppose that point P whose coordinates are given in the question, therefore putting means equation third means plane, required plane also passing to third, also passing to given point coordinates, therefore putting x is equal to, y is equal to and z equal to from coordinates of given point in the plane equation third. Putting and find the value of k, here k is equal to 1 by 6 and this value again putting the equation third and then find to the required plane equation. After simplification, this is required plane equation, means 15x minus 47y plus 28z minus 7 is equal to 0 is required plane equation. So that is all, and okay, thanks today.